Hello there again and welcome to our lesson. So today we're going to do the simple sweater design. For this design we're going to need one tone of gel polish, acrylic powder and brush number 2 natural. So first I apply the gel polish. This design looks much better with the pastel colors like light blue, like light pink, lilac, and then I cure it in the LED lamp for 1 minute. After curing in LED for 1 minute, I apply top coat and cure it for another minute in LED. After curing, I take off the sticky layer, and now we're gonna do our sweater design. So using this brush, which is natural number 2, I take the same color of the gel polish and start doing this sweater style, like knitting ornaments. Do not make them too thick or they can simply flow together and glue to each other. And do not forget about the small gaps between them. And then I take the acrylic powder, the regular plastic spoon, and apply it all over our design. Then we wait for like 5 seconds until it's totally saturated with the powder, and then get rid of the excess acrylic powder. So now we have to cure it double time of the curing time of your gel polish. So if it cures for 1 minute in LED, now we will cure it for 2 minutes in LED lamp. After curing, using the dust brush, I get rid of all the acrylic powder I have on the design and on the tip. And now I will continue working on my design. We can do the same elements, we can do the same row on the right and on the left, or we can do the lines, which also imitate the ornaments we usually have on our knitted sweaters. So if you will apply the gel polish too thin, we will not have enough product for the powder to saturate with. And if you apply it too thick, we will simply the product will flow and ruin your picture. So if you want to fix the line before working with the powder, you can do that by using any kind of clean brush. Just take the clean brush and fix the line if you think that it is too thick. But usually for this design, it is not really necessary. They will look good anyways. And then do the same. Using the acrylic powder, I apply it all over. Do not forget about the sides. Usually nail technicians apply it only on the center. And here we need the gel polish to absorb this powder in all of the areas. Wait for 3 to 4 seconds. Get rid of the excess acrylic powder. Now let's take a look. And if you see the spot where it seems like gel polish is shining, that means there's not enough powder yet. And we can put some extra in that area. Wait. Take the excess off and cure again for another 2 minutes. After curing, I get rid of all the powder, clean the tip, and then also I can clean it extra with the cleanser and the nail wipe. So we can leave the design like this. I think it looks a lot better. We already have the top right there, so it is actually sealed, but we also have this mattified design on the top. This is the result that we have. So depending on the ornaments you want to create, you can do different types of knitted sweaters. And also, if you want more flat ornaments like this, you just use the regular gel polish and then apply the powder on the top. But if you want to create smaller elements and make them higher, so you can also mix the powder with the gel polish a little bit and apply it like this.